our very top focus is the 8 people that have been killed and at least 30 that have been injured as the Kanchenjunga Express had collided with a goods train near West Bengal's New Jalpaiguri, which is one of the largest and busiest stations in the Northeast Railway zone. The train was travelling from Silchar in Assam to Sialdah in Kolkata. 2 coaches of the train have been derailed after the collision, leading to injuries and loss of lives. Meanwhile, I have some visuals on my screen over here that I'd like to show to all of our viewers. Right here, you can see the extent of the accident that has taken place. Of course, some of the survivors are crowding around outside. They're seen carrying umbrellas, indicating that it was raining. But what is perhaps most prominent over here is this one coach of the passenger train, the Kanchenjunga Express, that has been suspended in air after the goods train has collided. Of course, there are reports that are trickling in that there was a signal issue due to which the goods train has rammed into some of the rear coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express, which is of course carrying passengers from Agartala to Sialdah in Kolkata. Other angles as well of this tragic incident that has taken place. You can see some of the bogies of the goods train. This clearly indicates that there were 2 tracks over there as well. And this is, of course, a bogie of the Kanchenjunga train that has been mangled severely. You can see people, of course, attempting to find survivors, rescue others as well. Those who are, of course, stranded out there carrying umbrellas with them as they see and search for survivors. Yet another angle of the accident where you can see both the mangled coach as well as the coach that is suspended up in the air. You can see in fact how one of the coach that is mangled and has been thrown to one side was originally stuck to the other coach via magnets. It seems that the collision had ripped apart these 2 coaches, flung the mangled coach onto the side and lifted the other coach up in the air as well. So, of course, yet another angle, which is perhaps what displays what happens the most prominent. You can clearly see there are 2 railway tracks side by side. This is the coach that we could see. This is yet another angle. You can see one of the coaches up in the air. This is that very suspended coach that I'm indicating with my cursor on the screen. But also, yet another coach has been derailed as well as mangled. You can clearly see people searching for survivors here as well. The NDRF teams are deployed on the spot, as well as SDRF teams are working in conjunction. It seems that there are 15 ambulances on the spot as well. But viewers, we're also tracking some breaking updates for all of you with regards to what is taking place on the ground in West Bengal. It seems that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be leaving very soon from Kolkata to go to the spot where this accident has taken place. My colleague Renik Datta joins us on the broadcast. I beg your pardon, Anand joins us on the broadcast live from Rail Bhavan in Delhi to give us more information. Anand, we already know that Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is also going to be visiting the spot. It seems that Mamata Banerjee is also going to be there.
Yeah, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who was earlier looking after the situation and at the war room of the Rail Bhavan over here, looking at the rescue operation, how the work of the rescue is going on at the ground in New Jalpaiguri, where the Kanchenjunga Express was hit by a goods container train from the rear end, in which 2 of the loco pilots of the railways have also died, including 5 others. So total 8 people have died in this accident. That has been confirmed by Railway CRB over here, that is Chairman Railway Board Jaya Verma Sinha, who just addressed the media, and she spoke to us and she said that it looked prima facie, it looked to be that the goods train loco pilot disregarded the signal, which means that he overshot the signal where he was supposed to stop the train, whereas he kept on running the train. So these are the indications that prima facie the railway has got. And she also said that all the injured persons, they have been taken to hospital, and the railway is going to provide best medical facilities to them. And even as railway minister has left for the accident site, that is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi also mentioned in his tweet after he spoke to the several of the officials who are looking after the rescue operations, those who are engaged in the rescue operations at the ground. And as CR
कॉल करके जान सकते हैं कि क्या सिचुएशन है, क्या स्थिति है। मगर सीपीआरओ की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो पूरा घटना घटा है, इसका जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाएगा। और ये पूरा घटना में रेलवे का 3 कर्मी का मौत हुआ है और टोटल कैजुअलिटीज़ का संख्या 8 है। मगर अभी तक इंजर्ड कितना है उस बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी तक रेलवे की तरफ से नहीं दिया जा रहा है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.